Did you know that nearly 3 out of 4 SUV buyers end up regretting their purchase within just a few years? Not because the car looked bad in the showroom, but because the repair bills came. Fast, expensive, and completely unexpected. Transmission failures, electrical issues, thousands of dollars gone just to keep the car running. And here's the part nobody talks about. Most SUVs today are engineered for short-term appeal, not long-term survival. But a small group of SUVs are completely different. These are the ones quietly hitting 200,000, even 300,000 miles with minimal repairs, low running costs, and resale value that actually holds. Today, we're counting down 9 SUVs in 2026 that are built to last. And by the end, you'll know exactly which ones are worth your money and which ones to walk away from. Let's get into it. Number 9. Subaru Forester. Starting us off, the Subaru Forester. And this one surprises people, because when most buyers think reliable SUV, Subaru isn't always the first name that comes to mind. But it should be. The Forester comes with standard all-wheel drive on every single model, not as a $3,000 add-on, but built in from the start. That means better grip in rain, snow, and rough roads without paying extra for the privilege. Fuel economy regularly exceeds 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Numbers you'd expect from a small sedan, not an all-weather SUV. And Subaru's EyeSight safety system? Standard across the lineup. Most competitors bury that tech behind premium upgrade packages. Many owners report crossing 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Simple engineering, real-world reliability. At number 8, the Honda Passport. Here's what makes this one different. It still uses a naturally aspirated V6 engine. In today's market, that's rare. And it matters. Turbocharged engines make great headlines, but they come with more complexity, more heat stress, and more long-term risk. The Passport skips all that. The result is smooth, confident power with fewer failure points and a longer lifespan. Inside, the controls are clean and simple. No over-engineered tech that starts glitching 2 years in. Owners consistently report high mileage and minimal repairs. Not the flashiest SUV on this list, but tough, dependable, and built to go the distance. At number 7, the Lexus RX. Luxury SUVs and reliability don't usually belong in the same sentence. German brands especially have built a reputation for premium performance and premium repair bills. The RX breaks that pattern entirely. As Toyota's luxury division, Lexus takes proven engineering and wraps it in upscale materials, an ultra-quiet cabin, and tech that actually works. The hybrid version pushes fuel economy past 30 miles per gallon, almost unheard of in the luxury segment. And here's the kicker. Maintenance costs are dramatically lower than European rivals. No complex turbo systems, no over-engineered electronics breaking down after the warranty ends. If you want a luxury SUV that doesn't become a money pit after 50,000 miles, the RX is the smart call. At number 6, the Kia Telluride. A few years ago, Kia was a budget brand. Today, the Telluride is going head-to-head with luxury SUVs that cost nearly twice as much. And winning. Strong reliability ratings. Premium materials. A cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a family SUV. But the real standout? The warranty. A 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. The longest in the industry. That's not just confidence in their product. That's Kia putting real money behind it. Used Tellurides are holding their value like luxury icons. And owners consistently report high satisfaction with very few major repair incidents. For the price, it's one of the smartest long-term buys on the road. At number 5, the Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Most 3-row SUVs force families into a trade-off. You either get space or fuel economy. The Highlander Hybrid says, why not both? It delivers around 35 to 36 miles per gallon combined. For a full-size 3-row family SUV, that's jaw-dropping. That translates to over $800 in annual fuel savings for the average family. But the real story is longevity. Countless owners report 15-plus years of ownership, Many exceed 250,000 miles. This isn't a car people trade in, it's one they pass down. Consumer Reports has given it a perfect reliability score. Owner satisfaction matches it. If you're buying for the long haul, the Highlander Hybrid belongs on your shortlist. At number 4, the Acura RDX. Here's the formula. Take Honda's reputation for bulletproof reliability, add a premium interior, and price it well below the German competition. That's the RDX. Under the hood, a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine delivers 272 horsepower, enough punch for daily driving, while still hitting up to 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Leather seating, panoramic moonroof, and advanced safety tech all come standard, not buried in expensive upgrade packages, and unlike many luxury SUVs, the RDX holds its resale value well. Owners regularly report 10-plus years of low-stress ownership, premium experience, Honda-level reliability, without the headaches. At number 3, the Mazda CX-5. This one is quietly one of the most underrated SUVs on the market. While other automakers are chasing horsepower headlines, Mazda focused on something else. Simple, proven engineering that lasts. And with the available turbocharged engine producing 256 horsepower, it's not slow either. It's just reliable on top of being quick. The average CX-5 owner spends around $447 per year on maintenance. That's nearly $200 less than the segment average. Fuel economy reaches up to 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Interior quality rivals vehicles costing thousands more. Performance, precision, and peace of mind. All in one compact package. At number 2, the Toyota RAV4. Few vehicles have earned the kind of trust the RAV4 has built over the years. Starting around $28,000, it gives you a practical, well-built SUV that's easy to own from day one. The engineering is deliberately simple. Fewer complex systems means fewer things to fail. RAV4s regularly reach 200,000 to 300,000 miles with proper care. One detail worth knowing: Toyota uses a timing chain instead of a timing belt. Timing chains are designed to last the lifetime of the vehicle. That's one expensive repair you'll never have to schedule. Fuel economy reaches 35 miles per gallon on the highway. Resale value holds at around 61% after 5 years. Exceptional in today's market. And at number 1, the Honda CR-V. This is the gold standard, and the numbers back it up. The average CR-V owner spends just $47 a year on maintenance. That's not a typo. You will spend more on a single dinner out than on keeping this SUV running for an entire year. How is that possible? Simple engineering. Fewer failure points. Easy access components designed to last. Mechanics regularly see these vehicles push past 200,000 miles on original parts, still running strong. Resale value holds at 62 to 70% after 5 years, almost unheard of outside the Toyota family. No surprises, no hidden issues, just consistent, stress-free ownership year after year. If there's one SUV on this list that earns the title, buy it and forget about repairs, it's the Honda CR-V. Here's what every SUV on this list has in common. So which one would you trust for the long haul? Drop your answer in the comments. We'd love to know. And if this helped you make a smarter decision, hit subscribe for more honest car recommendations from DriveWise Auto. See you in the next one.